Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I definitely have such a great love for retro things, and this Hunter replica fan is so awesome. It's a retro styling made entirely out of stainless steel, and it has a nickel chrome finish. It's absolutely wonderful. I love using it because it provides the perfect breeze. It has 3 settings that are very easy to adjust from the front, and it has a still motion, or you can press the button in the back for the oscillating feature. The fan is really heavy feeling and durable, just like an old school fan, but the cage in front is definitely much safer than it used to be. However, I love that it has this retro styling. The fan is really quiet while you're using it, and it's easy to carry thanks to the handle in the back. I find that moving it around is really easy. I leave this fan on non-stop and it never overheats at all. It just provides the perfect amount of breeze when you need a little bit extra in your room. If you love retro styling and you want a modern touch to your things, then go with this fan from Hunter. It really is so nice, it's so pretty, and it works so wonderfully. And that's my point of view.